Our heat pump dryer is a device that transfers heat from a colder area, ambient temperature, to a hotter area, drying chamber, by using mechanical energy, as in a refrigerator. Heat pump is not a heat producer, is heat porter. It absorb the heat from atmosphere, use small amount of electric energy drive the compressor, and then transfer the heat to every corners of the drying chamber. A set of dryer machine mainly consists of 4 parts. The main part heat pump dryer fans and fan rack, trolleys and trays and dryer chamber. Heat pump dryer can use in fruit and vegetable, meat, fish, seafood, wood, herb, incense, and so on drying. Energy saving and environment protection. Stable property and operating easily. Second waste heat recovery technology. Accurate control temperature and humidity. Recovery volatilized component.